In fact, you didn't have hand tools.
Well, get away from my truck. Get away from that.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I went and picked up the old 7.3 today. Ed gave me a ride just in time for snow. We're headed to Ed's house actually to watch him and get some footage of him clearing out the snow at his house with the Cat 306 next gen. It's not a good day, bud. Guys, is that Ed's in stick steer mode, which is actually pretty cool. So basically it's Cat's newest technology, I guess you would say. We're trying to show these. Hey Ed, by the way, so trying to show them that you're not using the pedals.
Yeah, these are stupid.
The flip up one?
This stick steer is so cool, man. Now I could go in the monitor and switch this controller to the blade instead. Well, I'm not really sure how to do that.
So you gotta learn.
On the spur of the moment.
So it's gonna be a learning curve for us too. Alright, so we had to figure it out first. We're back now.
Yeah, if you go into your menu, you go into machine settings, hit OK, control mode, OK, stick steer modes, hit OK. You see blade. I can either make it excavator controls or the blade control. Hit OK, and then go home, and yeah, home, and then now you see the blade. I'm operating the blade. So now I'm operating my forward and reverse with this one, and steering, and my blade with this one.
All right, let me show them the blade. That is pretty cool though. Alright guys, so remember the truck driver we were talking about? Stuck out front of Bowen's house. Well, he asked us to help him. Say hi, John! The only issue is... this guy's buried in here. And that's the only issue that I see. He's fully loaded. I'm thinking that if Ed sits over there with a chain, we'll hook onto the plow frame down low there and try to yank him that way. We're in the shop where it's warm. We're gonna grab a chain. We gotta grab a clevis. And I'm not sure where the clevis is for that machine. But here's chain. I know guys, I'm crazy. I don't wear gloves. It's cold out though. Ed said in a 16-inch bucket he thought there was one. I'm gonna grab 2. I forget what size it is. Whoops, just started. Another tri-axle just showed up. So, Ed's smart, he makes sure they get on the same channel. So I told him to get on CB radio channel 19. Well, that went well, huh?
It did.
We didn't get to see anything good with the 306 though. That kind of sucks.
Yeah, but it was in the picture.
It was in the picture.
Right.
Same frame, baby.
Hey, we were here to help. We just feel too small.
That's right. We weren't so full tilt today, huh? Talk about the old 7.3 that we got back today. Ed gave me a ride to go pick her up. Hey, and by the way, I want to clear this up quick. Let me stop right there. The transmission that I got isn't technically an ATS transmission. So I went to a little performance shop locally, they're a diesel shop, and I asked them, they put an ATS trans in it. It was on back order a few months, so basically I just spec'd it very similar to that of what an ATS trans would be, with high friction rings, upgraded valve packs, solenoids, there's a billet torque converter. I'll have to get the build sheet out and I'll show you guys what's all done to it. Now, they did go ahead and it definitely didn't hurt me off. I hope not, at least. I always get worried with transmission shops. You just never know, you know. I do want to also talk on this truck quick while we have it about the door mag body. This thing here has been really nice so far. I dig out of it all the time, with teeth at the farm, without teeth, either way, it doesn't matter. Now the floors, I mean, this thing's really built well. I paid extra to get it, like a commercial grade they call it. And there's some snow in here, but literally there's not one dent on this floor. And you can see where I scratch up the side of the tailgate and don't really do anything but scuff it up. John's a guy that was in the triaxle that got stuck, and the cop is making him fix the sign that he messed up, obviously. But John, the one valuable lesson you should learn today, what's that? You should always keep what in your truck?
What about?
You should always keep that in your truck, John.
I know.
You're saving my life right now. You're saving my marriage. Alright, saving my job. Thank you very much, man.
Here you go, bud.
Oh, there you go.
Have a good one.
You too,
Check
bud.
us out on YouTube,
Absolutely,
buddy.
man.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey, we've all been there. You know, you just got to help other people out. I mean, I can't say I've went off the side of the ditch that bad, but I've gotten a truck stuck and someone helped me out. So Ed and I aren't those guys. We're gonna help anybody. As long as you're not a mean guy or a bad guy, we'll help you. So let's go check out what Ed's doing. We missed this part. Who really cares? We've seen enough of this plowing snow. I've seen enough snow for 10 years, to be honest, the last year. Again, we're just playing. Ed don't have to get it perfect. It's filming.
It's on fast. You want me to slow it down? Well, get away from my truck. Get away from that.
Hey, that could get us famous.
Yeah, it'd be like whistling Diesel, crushing a $70,000 truck. Up, 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 up. Up, up, up. You're killing me, man. I think he's got a tail swing on this thing. I think he's on a 336, which is probably what it feels like to him right now.
Keep all the reclaimed close.
Huh?
So I'll keep all the reclaimed stone close to the edge.
Yeah. My wife's gonna be like, why am I driving in holes? I think this is set up just a little too fast for you, bud. If you go in the menu, you can slow it down. Go in the menu, go to control mode, machine settings.
That one?
Yep, control mode. Now go to down to implement speed. Hit OK. Now just go to slow.
What's the...
Okay, now the next one, joystick response. Okay, normal.
Slow.
Just keep it. All right.
Keep it?
Because you want it to respond. Then home. See that? Now you can run it.
That feels more like a Bobcat now.
We'll fill that hole in with some snow. She'll never notice. Till it falls out.
Well guys, that's all for this one. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. We really appreciate all your guys' support. Thanks for everything. Catch you on the next one. Sorry. Anyway, have a good night guys. Thanks all again.